Hi everyone, I purchased a Sony headphones from an online app store. Let's check if it is genuine and an original Sony headphone. This is the packaging that I received after purchasing the headphone from the online app store. They make sure that the item was secured because they cover 3 bubble wrap in the item. That's good because the delivery is really difficult for the items because sometimes other heavy items was in the top of the smaller items. So the placement of bubble wrap ensures that the product will not be damaged. This is the box that contains the Sony headphone. The name of the headphone is Sony MDR E9LP. The price of this headphone is 500 pesos, which is equivalent to $10 US. The sound of this headphone is incredibly clear, as if the band or sounds are right beside you, offering an outstanding quality. However, this headphone does not have a built-in microphone that would be useful for making phone calls. But for me, it's not a big deal because the purpose of this headphone is for listening to the music songs. This is what's inside the box, the headphone inside the plastic, which we will open now. The earbuds are included inside the plastic if you want the sounds to be more refined, but for me, I prefer the one without earbuds so that the sounds I hear is louder. Now this is the Sony headphone itself. I was happy because based on the quality of this headphone, I am sure that it is the original Sony headphone. You can tell if the headphones are fake just by the quality of the plastic. You can feel that the headphones are fake when the plastic quality is not smooth, like if it was a bit rough. But this headphone has a quality, smooth feel, including the wire and the plastic components. The cord length of this headphone is 1.2 meter. The length is great because I typically place my phone in my bag, so I need a long headphone cord so that the headphones don't get pulled out of my ears. It also uses a 3.5mm L jack shape. For the sounds of the headphone, what I can say is that the sounds are very clear. Before I ordered this headphone, I first bought a different one from a shop in the mall. I purchased 2 different types of headphone, but none of them can match the quality of this Sony headphone. There is something missing from the ones I bought, even though the appearance is good, but when it comes to performance, I still choose the Sony headphone. The pink colored headphones you see are the old headphones I use, and the brand is also Sony. After 3 years, the right side is damaged and no longer works. But if you think about it, the 3 years are worth the daily use of those headphones. So what I did was I looked at the mall where I bought it. Unfortunately, the headphones are said to be out of stock. Almost all headphones and earphones are wireless. I believe that's one of the reasons why corded earphones are no longer in the market. I tried this new earphone to see if it will work like my old earphone. What I can say is that it sounds very similar. It's a good thing it's original because the price is a little bit expensive for me and I don't have a work yet. I just bought this earphone because I really need it for video editing for my YouTube channel and for listening to the song in my phone. That's all everyone. I want to say thank you for those who added a comment in my video. Thank you Dindos Pajak 2135, MacDaily 012, Proxima Century 1946, Lovimin Perlas 1228, and Jeffrey Von Markinda 8823. See you again in my next video. This is Shaq and you're watching Biter Drone.